There's something small but unique that H&M is doing that you can also do on your website. It's very easy to do, but it can help with retention and help encouraging sales. So if you look on, this is the product page on H&M, right? You're going to slow down, you're going to scroll down. You might not even notice it at first, but it's this right here. Now remember, get 10% off your next purchase when you join. There's two main reasons why this is so effective and why this could work. I'm going to put you on and show you right now. So the first way is because, one, if a customer sees 10% off, they're gonna think, oh, 10% off, I might as well sign up. Signing up takes me 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. It might take me just a minute. I just click this link here. I just put in my email address, and now I get 10% off on my purchase. So it's a win-win. You might even put it up to 15 or 20. So now, by putting this percentage off, you're already encouraging a customer to purchase something that maybe they were already going to purchase in the first place. The second reason why this is so effective is because once a customer becomes a member, now you can put them into a flow. If you have Klaviyo set up or you have your email marketing set up, now you can start sending them emails. Once they're now becoming, they subscribe to that newsletter, you can now send them emails promoting the products, promoting your different products, showing with them products that they might be interested in. You can put them on your email list and you can continue to retarget them over and over again, even if they don't purchase this, because notice this here, this is 10% off your next purchase when you join. So let's say they don't purchase, they come here, they sign up, but they don't immediately purchase. But now they're a member, now they're receiving your emails. Now they have more chances to see your product, to see the things that you sell. And now the chance of them buying a product from you in the future is increasing. Of course, you can continue to send them new product updates, new launches, and things like that. But this is very simple to add on your product page and link. All it is a link to a membership page or a link to a newsletter, which you can easily set up with something like Klaviyo or MailChimp or one of the different providers out there. But this is very, very easy to do, very simple. But I just wanted to share. Hopefully, it can help you as you're working on your online store. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you'd like help setting something like this, adding this to your store, whether it's this link or actually the email marketing part, I'd be glad to help out as well. And if you're looking for any assets that you think might help you, digital templates with your Shopify website, feel free to check out the link below to go to the Etsy store. A lot of different templates here that could be useful to you as you run your online business. So feel free to check this out as well. But once again, I hope this video was helpful, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.